The Saranghae Complete 5-Step Routine. Used twice per day, these 5 steps work in synergy to deliver the best possible results, including improved hydration, elasticity, and radiance. The Nourishing and Moisturizing Oil to Foam Cleanser. This innovative 2-in-1 product starts as an oil and transforms into a foam. Massage 2 to 3 pumps of cleanser onto your dry face to break down makeup and impurities. Add water to transform the cleanser into a rich lather. Your skin will be left perfectly clean and supple. The Perfect Balance Toner. Use twice daily after cleansing. This step rebalances the skin's pH, refines the look of pores, and brightens the complexion. Apply with the palms of your hands or with a cotton pad. Follow with your remaining skincare to seal in a layer of hydration. The Focus Renewal Eye Cream. This product is targeted to address deep lines and loss of firmness around the fragile eye contour. Using 1 pump for both eyes, apply this treatment with gentle pressing motions using your ring fingers. Deep Radiance Essence and Serum. This unique 2-in-1 product penetrates the upper layers of the skin to repair the collagen-elastin matrix. Apply 2 to 3 pumps of the serum into your face and neck after your regular cleansing routine. The Firm and Lift Regeneration Cream. This product is an intensely nourishing and replenishing anti-aging moisturizer. Apply a dime-sized amount of product to your face and neck using the palms of your hands, morning and evening. The complete 5-step routine is recommended to all clients who are looking to maximize their results and improve the long-term health of their skin.